back to my channel after a very long time. I am back with a new tutorial. This one is classy, groovy and stylish. So stay home, stay safe, but do learn this routine at home. So let's get started. So hey guys, I'm gonna break this routine into 3 parts. So let's start first part. First start with your left leg, left to right, right to left. And with this, swipe your right arm when you go left side. Like swipe in, swipe in. Now open your left leg and right hand down like this, out and in, again out and in. Okay, so let's start with first part. Swipe in, out, in, out, in. Now left leg forward and at the same time tap your heart like this, 1 and 2. Now right leg forward and both hands down, 3, 4. Again 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now again left leg forward and both hands center, out, in. So out, in, like this. Okay. Now again right step forward and both hands up and slightly back. Slide your right hand and hands back down and in. Okay. Now start from beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Again 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So let's try on music.
Casio, playing on my heart just like a Casio, breaking it apart so you can let it go.
Yes, you did it. Okay guys, so part 2, start from here. Okay, now your both hand over the head like this, 1, and your both hand down and lift your left leg up, 2 and 3. Again, make sure your elbow like this, up. Okay, your both hand over the head, 1, 2 and 3. Now out your right leg and both hands up, 4 and 5. Out your left leg, both hands down, 6 and 7. Again start from here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Open your right leg and both hands, 8. Make sure your palm facing back side, and when you in, break your elbow and hug yourself because you love yourself. Yes. Okay, so start from here again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Now from here, push your right shoulder back and turn your body. Lift your left leg up and boom, like this. Okay, again shift, lift your left leg and boom. Again 5, 6, 7, 8 from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Now open your right leg on toe. Balance in your right leg, okay, on toe. Up, back and down. So like boom, boom, boom. Again, open your right leg on toe, up, back and down. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, so start with beginning. Yes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Boom, boom, boom. Okay? So try this on music.
Casio, playing on my heart just like a Casio. Breaking it apart so you can let it go. But wait another year, that's not original. I'm cynical, alright, let's go now.
Yes, cool. You did it. So guys, move to last part 3. Yes. So last we finish here, boom, boom, boom. So now step your right leg like this, right to left. Yes. Boom, boom, boom. So right to left. Now step your left leg, step and cross. Right leg step and cross. Again 5, 6, 7, 8. So last finish from here. Boom, boom, boom. So now left to right, left cross, right cross. Now drag your right leg to back side. Okay, back cross and turn your body. Okay, again 5, 6, boom, boom, boom. So 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Again 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. So from here, your right hand open and your left hand over the head. Okay. So 1, 2. Now your right hand over the head and left hand up. Okay. So 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now your both hands over the head. 5, 6. Now both hands down. 7, 8. Again 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now your both hands up. Step your left leg out with diagonal like this. Out, in, and your right leg out, in. Now again left leg out, in. Again right leg out, in. So again 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So last two count, right, left, and freestyle, and freestyle, and freestyle. Okay? Again, so start from here, finish this, boom, boom, boom. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Right, left, and boom, freestyle. Okay, so start from beginning. Let's revise. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, and tick, tick, tick. Yes, So let's try out this music.
Casio, playing on my heart just like a Casio, breaking it apart so you can let it go. Oh, wait another year, that's not original. I'm cynical, alright, let's go now. When all your dreams are gone and you're still holding on, you waited for too long. I know, you know, I saw you.
Yes, finally you did it. Beautiful. Cool, cool, cool. So much for watching this video. I hope this was useful and I really hope you learn this routine. Also, do not forget to hit the bell icon, do like, share this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.